Hey guys, welcome to the channel again. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and also check my previous videos. Today we will learn how to create graphic portraits from photos using threshold effect. I already have an portrait image which I'm going to show today. Now, go to Image, Adjustments, and Threshold. Now, adjust the threshold value and press OK. Then, go to Select, Color Range. Now click on the black part of the color range and then click on the white part of the image and press OK. Now, the image got selected and press delete, so that it will delete all the whites in the image.
Now press Ctrl+D.
Now take a new layer with high resolution. Select one background color, and drag the other image into the new layer and adjust it. Now take rectangle tool and drag it. Take a new layer and give one light color, so that the portrait image is clearly visible. Drag the color layer to the bottom and adjust the color layer. Now press Ctrl+T. Type the text and adjust it. Now press Ctrl and click on the text layer, so that it will select the text. Now, delete the layer and disable the eye icon. Repeat the same for other layer.
Now press Ctrl+D.
Here this color is not looking so nice on the screen. So I will change another color. Now go to Fix, drop shadow and adjust the layer. Hope you like this. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.